Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got another fun and super simple Dollar Tree DIY for us. We're going to be making a trio of glam double wall candle holders. And so what you're going to need is you're going to need some floral diamond wrap. I picked this up at EFavormart.com. EFavormart.com is an online retailer of party supplies, event decor, and event lighting, and so much more. They reached out to me and I have partnered with them. They provided me with a custom coupon code, a cozy casita, all one word, just like the channel name. And you can use that when you're on their website and they'll save you 15% on your orders with them. I will have EFavormart's information along with my affiliate link and custom coupon code information down in the description box below. So you will need this floral diamond wrap. I have got some gemstones. They're diamond gemstones. They're the loose kind. I picked these up at EFavormart.com as well. I may or may not be using them in this project, however, but we'll see as we go along. You guys know how the projects evolve sometimes. And I've got some tea lights here, and they're also from EFavormart.com. These are immersible tea lights. And so what you're going to need from Dollar Tree is you're going to need 3 of these, like a fishbowl shaped candle holder. So you'll need 3 of these. You're going to need 3 of these tea light holders here. And I have mine in a graduated height, but you can make them all the same height if you'd like to do that. But you will need 3. And then you're going to need tea light holders or candle holders that are like this. This silver one with the matte finish, I picked this up at Dollar Tree. And then this, like with the silver mercury glass finish, I picked these up at a Goodwill. But either one of these will work. And I think that most Dollar Trees will have this kind of silver reflective finish candle holders at Dollar Tree. But I just picked these up in the matte finish, but you can choose really whatever color or finish you like. Also, with these double wall candle holders, you can use an actual candle with this. And these are from Dollar Tree also. So you can use these. I'm going to be using some hot glue on my project, but if you'd like to make this a permanent piece, please use something like E6000 or like an epoxy bond, and that will work to make it permanent. But these are the items that we need in order to get the project completed, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, now aren't these candle holders absolutely stunning? I just love them, and they're so easy to make. Let's go ahead and start playing around and decorating with them. Well, there you have it, guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of DIYs and videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.